With unaccounted cash found after fire at Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma's official residence, Sparks Row, he was transferred to his parent High Court, that is Allahabad High Court. High Court judges had immense power, interpreting laws that shape our lives. But what happens when one is accused of corruption, wrongdoing, or judicial irregularity? Can they be removed? The answer is yes, but it's not that simple. Let's break it down. In most democratic systems, judges are protected from arbitrary dismissal to ensure their independence. However, this doesn't mean they are untouchable. There are processes to hold them accountable, balancing independence with integrity. Back in 1999, India's Supreme Court laid down a groundbreaking framework to address allegations against judges of the constitutional courts, including High Court judges. This came from a need to maintain public trust in the judiciary while protecting the judges from baseless accusations. So, how does it work? It all starts with a complaint. Let's say someone, maybe a lawyer, a citizen, or even another judge, files a formal allegation of corruption or misconduct against a High Court judge. That complaint lands on the desk of the Chief Justice of India, the highest judicial authority in the country. The Chief Justice doesn't act hastily. First, he seeks a response from the judge in question. This is a chance for the judge to explain their side. Maybe the accusations is a misunderstanding, or perhaps there is evidence to clear their stand. Now the Chief Justice reviews this reply carefully. If the explanation is convincing and the matter seems resolved, it might end then and there. But what if the Chief Justice of India isn't satisfied? What if the reply raises more questions than answers? Or worse, suggests something serious? That's when things escalate. If the Chief Justice believes the allegations warrant a deeper look, they can form an internal committee. If the internal committee finds no substance, the judge is cleared. But if the internal committee uncovers some wrongdoing, it's a different story altogether. In India, the Constitution steps in. Article 124 and 217 states that a judge can only be removed by an order of the President, and that requires a motion in Parliament supported by a 2/3 majority in the both houses. This process, starting with the Chief Justice moving to an internal probe and potentially reaching Parliament, ensures accountability without undermining the judicial independence. It's rare though, in India's history, only a handful of cases have gone this far. Like the impeachment attempt against Justice V. Ramaswamy in 1993, which ultimately failed. The 1999 guidelines of the Supreme Court strikes a balance of protecting the judiciary from ensuring justice to prevail when the trust is broken. It's a reminder that even those who uphold the law must answer to it.